Video is going to be a review of the Hoover SmartWash Flex Force SmartWash carpet cleaner. Now, we're going to be doing a little comparison here. This carpet has been cleaned. Can't really say that, but this carpet's been cleaned 2 days in a row with my Hoover, I think it's the Elite. I'll put a message on the screen what it is, and you can see how filthy it is. Both times the water came out black to brown. So what I am doing, this is my first time using this machine, I've done a little bit of pre-treatment with the Folex spray. I've got some Folex cleaner in here. The difference between this and the Hoover Elite Pet, or whatever the heck that machine is, this will put out the solution without you getting to control it. Normally, when I'm cleaning this carpet, I press the button back and forth, just trying to get the solution in there and sucking it up, and the carpet's still absolutely filthy. So this will do it. When you go forward, it will put a display on there that it's washing. When you go back, it will display that it's drying. We got the pickup container on the bottom, the hot water container on the top. We've got the little solution container over here. We've got a dry button. And from what I understand, I'm not sure, but the dry button, I guess, it will just dry without putting solution on. I saw some guy on a video, he removed the solution container. But, okay, let's just stop talking and test this thing out, see what's going to happen. First time running this thing. Hard to do a video like this with a tripod, and I don't want to put a GoPro helmet on. So, that's the carpet. Let me get this thing going. I think the switch is probably to turn it back. The switch is to turn it on. Dry out. Let's go forward. Usually I don't go really slow, but this time testing out the machine I'm going very slow. Wow, is this sucking up the water? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Let me get this cord on the right. I am absolutely amazed. Look at this. This is totally filthy. If you like my videos, do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, donation links in the video description along with an affiliate link if you want to buy this channel. I really like the second one. Unbelievable, it's taking the dirt out of the carpet. That's what I know that's what it's supposed to do. Look at this massive scale. What's it going to do to this thing? I can already tell that it's doing something. It's definitely doing something. I don't know how good. 2 days in a row playing with the Hoover. And look at the amount of dirt that's coming out of this thing. I was waiting for Prime Day. I was going to go out and buy this little big green machine. On YouTube. Look at this. There is no doubt this machine is 100% better. Try to get that stain out. Show you the dirty water. Haven't used that much solution. Look at this water. 2 days in a row clean with the Hoover. Look at this water. I'm going to put that on camera. Try to finish off the carpet and I'll be back. Look at the carpet. It's still a little wet, so it's kind of hard to figure this out. Really, really nice machine. Suction is here, let's go back. Carpet, so 1,000% better. I'm going to show you how much dirt came out of it. And again, this is actually clean 2 days in a row. Hoover got this on sale. This is a heck of a deal. What is driving? Just happening. Pulling up a little bit of water. I'm going to go in the back a little bit. Look into the toilet and see what happens. Still pulling up a little bit. So once you press the dry button, no solution comes out. That's nice. You don't have to disconnect the solution. Pulling the water down. Unlike most people that film with their cell phones, it's actually a camcorder. So, without my tripod, as I said, let's go dump this in the sink. See what we do. Okay, people, as I said, this carpet was cleaned 2 days in a row with the Hoover Pat Elite or whatever that is. How do we pour this stuff out? I guess we pour it out from the side over here. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. This is an incredible carpet cleaner. This is absolutely incredible. It's a keeper. I definitely recommend it. Let's go in the bedroom now and we'll do another area that was cleaned 2 days in a row. Yeah, I know the lighting is bad. Pre-treated with Folex. You can see absolute filth over here in front of the bathroom door. Lots of filth over here by the side of the bed. Again, this has been cleaned 2 days in a row with the Hoover Elite Pet or whatever the heck it is. Let's see if we can get rid of these black stains in front of the door and by the bed. Here we go, people. Look at all this dirt. We're going to start cleaning. There's some dog vomit over there. Dog poop, and a lot of dirt over here. I'm impressed. This machine is absolutely incredible. There's a little bit of grease and dirt still in the carpet. I'm going to put some 409 on there. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but I don't really care. Totally amazed. Look at this carpet. 95%, 90%, 95% of the stains are gone. Just incredible. Machine is very good. Price is reasonable. Much better than the whatever I bought, the Elite. Make sure you wear good hearing protection when you're using this thing. Most of the dirt is out of the carpet. Let's go over to the door. Yeah, this is really just dirt from feet. Feet without shoes on. That's a lot of foot dirt. A little bit of pre-treatment with Folex, then some pre-treatment and a brush with 409. I'm sure if I spent a lot more time on this, I could get all this stuff out. I don't really want to do that. I'm going to wait for Prime Day. I might go out and buy the Bissell Big Green machine. I am totally impressed with this machine. The water, can you see it over there? Look how dirty that is. Let's put it in the toilet. It's worth the money. I'm still going to go out probably and spend the $400 and some and buy the Big Green, see how I like it. This machine is worth the money. This did an incredible job. Please, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. And now, let's go pour this into the toilet. Look at that. This is the third day in a row. 2 days with the Hoover Elite. 1 day with this, whatever this machine is. I am thoroughly impressed. This is absolutely disgusting what's come out of this carpet. But I think, had I used this machine the first time, most of this would have come out. Let's flush it so we can see where you can see the dirt. Thanks for watching, people. Support my channel, help me out. Donations, click on the link.